Good evening. Embattled Trinidad and Tobago players Dwayne and Darren Bravo, Sunil Narine, Kyron Pollard and Lendl Simmons have made themselves available for next month's Cricket West Indies Super 50 tournament. Now, the move by the five players is seen as another step towards returning to the West Indies team for the 2019 World Cup in England. This latest development comes after it had emerged that talks were ongoing between the players and Cricket West Indies. The board subsequently shifted the Super 50 from February 2019 to October of this year to ensure minimal clash between the domestic 50-over competition and various T20 leagues around the world that the players are a part of. Now, according to reports, Cricket West Indies CEO Johnny Grave said the board intends to let the players use the Super 50 to earn their way back into the West Indies team. The view was seconded by Courtney Brown, the chairman of selectors. The conflict began with the players choosing to play in the Pakistan Super League rather than the World Cup qualifiers earlier this year, a decision that left the board disappointed. Matters further escalated in April when Darren and Dwayne Bravo, Pollard and Narine claimed that they were denied to be a part of the Hurricane Relief charity match against the World 11 side. Now, I think this move of compromise by both parties has come at a very good time, and it's quite pleasing that they have actually reached an amicable resolution to a saga which has dragged on for a while. Now that the Bravo brothers, Narine, Pollard and Simmons will play in the regional Super 50, it's up to them to perform at optimal levels and impress the selection panel. The panel could face a tricky situation though, in case the five players mentioned do not produce the level of performances necessary to warrant a place in the World Cup squad. I therefore hope that these five senior players will produce quality performances to earn their places in the World Cup squad on merit and not necessarily on sentiments, past performances or reputation. I'm Spencer Darlington. Good evening.